Hey guys, hang tight for me in the car real quick. Y'all have a seat in the car real quick, man. Sit down. Y'all sit in the car. Stay in the car. DJ, pull up and block them. We got that car stopped. It is an Arizona tag. Like about 4 times it's taken off.
7534.
Radio, we're signal 12 with it, just based on the 39. I believe it's going to be an enter an auto crew. 4 or 5 black males are going north on Highway 9 towards 20.
Radio 6.
Go ahead and notify North and South Precinct, please.
Go to South Precinct.
South Precinct.
7530 radio on South. Signal 12 with that 78 of that black Charger. 4 to 5 males occupied. I believe it's going to be an enter an auto crew just based on 39. Northbound Highway 9 coming up at Lake Center Parkway. Run that tag that I gave you. Is out of Arizona?
Right on different down. Right on different down.
Hey, DJ, pin him! Hands up! Go down! Radio, we trying to pin him. Get us more units, please.
More units.
Can you see? Can you see?
Stay right there. Stay right there. Stay right there.
Radio, they're compliant. We got a good pit, good pin, good pit, good pin.
Get on the ground.
Radio clear, good pit, good pin.
Stay on the ground. Stay on the ground.
Hands right here on the dash. Hands on the dash. Right there. Keep him right there. Bring him out. Bring him out. Bring him out. Get out. Hands behind your back. Don't reach. Quick, okay? We don't play around up here when it comes to running, man, okay?
As long as nobody got hurt.